Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to link YouTube channel to Facebook page. To do this, you want to first of all open your YouTube channel, and once you've opened up your YouTube channel, then go to the U section from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. So once you've opened up your YouTube channel, then you want to go ahead and click on the U button, after which you want to go ahead and select the channel or click on view channel. And then click the three dot icon from the top right and click on select, click on share from the right hand side corner. Now then, you simply want to click on copy link. Once you've copied the link, exit out of this page, open up your Facebook account and click on the menu bar in the top right, click on this icon or switch your profile to Facebook page. Once you've actually switched to a Facebook page, and this is how it's going to look, click on the menu bar once again or just click on your profile. After that, you want to click on the three dot icon next to edit profile. So right over here, you'll be able to find the action button, and as you click on the action button, you then need to go ahead and select learn more or watch now. So you could go ahead and click on watch now, after which you simply want to paste the link that we have copied recently, and that way you'll have successfully linked your YouTube channel to Facebook. That's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.